Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ruby here with another video, you guys. So I am doing more than one video in one day. So I just want to show you this that I come across my friend, and this is from the Barber and Aid. I don't know, some black shampoo. So I was researching after I come across it, and I said, oh my god, this thing been out for a while, and this is my first time seeing it. So this one here, I picked it up. I have never used this before, but before I get in the video, I just want to say, if you're new here, you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ruby. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, also do subscribe to my channel. Turn on notification bell, and when I do upload a video, you can be notified. So this is shampoo, black shampoo, you guys. I have never used this in my hair. I have never used any black shampoo in my hair. This is my first time that I'm gonna try it out, and when I do try it out, I'm gonna show you how it does perform in my hair. So they said this is the Professional Barber Aid brand product. It's a natural black shampoo, hair color shampoo. You have olive oil. With olive oil, it cover gray, no scalp damage, no ammonia, and you have natural plant extra, no skin, no stain and skin. So this is it, you guys, and it have all these things in here. Let's see. Okay, it show you that you have olive oil in it. You have ginger and some other ginseng extra. So this is how it come, you guys. This is my first time seeing this in a store, and I know that they have the little starch but not the whole bottle of it. So I just come across it, and I said I want to share it with you. So I'm gonna try it out the next time, and I'm gonna show you how it does apply to my hair and how it does look. You also get gloves. Yeah, these are gloves, but I won't be using this. I have other gloves, and it also come into this. So you have this, you can use it more than one time, you guys. So this is the container that it come in, and it's 200 ml, and I guess you have to pull this part off, and then you have to pump it in your hand to use it. But what it does say that you have to apply and dry hair. So you do not wash your hair to apply this. You do not do anything to your hair. Make sure that your hair is dry for you to apply this product to your hair. So this is it, you guys. I am so excited to try this because I have been using color in my hair for years, and I use different color, and just because I color my hair like 2 weeks ago, I don't want to use this right now. I'm gonna wait. But when I saw it, I really want to try it out. I'm curious about it, so I picked it up, and I am going to try it out. The good thing about it that you have olive oil, and they say it cover 100% gray, and they give you instruction here on how to, what to do and how to apply this to your hair. So I just want to say thank you again. God bless you, and I will see you soon, you guys. When I'm going to apply this shampoo, you will see. I will do a video on it so for you to see. God bless you. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and I will catch you in my next video. Ciao.